Hey friends, so today I am showing y'all how I did these fabulous Gel X nails. They are French tip and they are so bomb. Here are the products I use. I am linking my Amazon below so you'll get access to all of these products. And here is the star of the show. These are called X-Coat tips and they're 3-in-1 soft gel nails. And I like them a lot. This is my first time using them. So of course there's pros and cons, but I'm going to share those with y'all in the video. The very first thing that I am doing is buffing out my nails, making sure there is a clean, smooth surface, and making sure just to file down my nails so that they're not too long underneath the gel nails. Now I am just going to fit the nails to my natural nails to make sure that it is a good fit. So when I pulled these out, I realized they are a little bit longer than I expected. They say medium on the link, so obviously like if you do not like a super long nail, I would go for the small in these. Like I'm going to go for the small next time. But these are medium length, but they're pretty long and you'll see that at the end. But I'm just fitting them on my nails. I would prefer the nail to be too small than too big so that I don't have to file it down, because if the nail is too big and it doesn't fit in your nail bed, it's gonna pop off from experience. So you want to make sure that it fits like directly in your nail bed. And even if I have a little bit of natural nail showing on the side, like I don't mind because it all blends out anyway. But these honestly were a really great fit. You have lots of different size options, so you should be able to find something that fits you. Like these fit perfectly. I didn't have to file or change any of them to fit my nail, and they all fit very securely and snug. So I like to find the size for each nail and then just lay them out in order that I am going to place them to make it easier when I am applying. Next, I'm going to use my mini UV light to cure my natural nail with the base coat. So this is the base coat that I'm using. And then here's the glue that I'm going to use to apply the nail. But I'm just going to start off by applying this base coat to my natural nail. And I'm going to stick it under the UV light for like 30 seconds so it is sticky. I honestly don't even know what the point is of this, but I do it and it makes my nails last a really long time. My nails last for like 2 to 3 weeks as long as acrylics. I have to remove them all in order to get them off. So yeah, they be in place. I've been doing my own nails for a while now just because I was spending like $250 a month to get my nails done, and then I was getting my lashes done, getting waxes, getting my hair done, getting facials, getting massages. If you're a woman, you know that all adds up. Like that is easily $1,500, $2,000 a month, and it was just too much. So I decided to start doing my own nails. Also, I just moved to LA and it's been hard to find a salon that I like. I literally just found a salon that I like in Atlanta. And I was driving 45 minutes away to go to that salon. So now that I'm in LA, I haven't found a salon that I like. You know, when you find someone, you gotta stay loyal. So I just figured that I would do my own nails, and honestly, it saves me so much time and so much money, because I really don't like sitting in a nail salon anyway. Like that is the longest, most annoying process. Like getting your nails done is not self-care. I don't care what anyone says, it's annoying. So after I cure my natural nail, I go into the nail glue and I'm gonna apply that to the gel nail. And I just take a little bit and I put a drop at the bottom, and I kind of use that drop to cover the inside of the nail like so. I shouldn't have did that second drop because that is really what took it over the edge. And when I apply this nail, it's gonna overflow, but I'm gonna show y'all how to clean it up. Honestly, learning how much glue to put on the nail is really like just hit or miss. Like as I get into the process more, by the third, fourth nail, I'm gonna have it like down pat. But the first couple ones, it's like always like trial and error. So I just take a little brush, it's like a little makeup brush, and I dip it in some acetone to clean up any glue that has spilled out on the sides, because you do not want to cure it with the glue out on the sides, because then it's going to be all over the nail. If you do have this happen, you can file it off afterwards. But I just try to get off as much as possible beforehand so I don't have to have an extra step. So yeah, I'm just going in and applying all of the nails with the glue like so. Once all the nails are applied, I'm going to go in with my big UV lamp and I'm going to cure for 90 seconds. So this is what's really going to set them in place, make sure that it is a good long hold. I got this lamp from Amazon as well. I think it was like $20-$30. So all of these tools that I got to do my nails was less than a visit to the nail salon, because I easily spend $100 plus at the nail salon, and all of this stuff was probably like $50-$60 max. And I can use it again and again and again. So highly recommend if you are looking to DIY. So here is the before and after, the nails that are done versus the nails that aren't done. As you can see, I still need to file them and they are very matte. So I am just gonna go in and start filing them down. I did apply the other hand off camera, so you can't see that, but I just wanted to speed up the process a little bit, right? So then I'm gonna go in with the drill file again, and I am going to smooth out those edges that have like that little part that have them attached to the little thing, the packaging. So yeah, I'm just filing that down. If you want to make the nails shorter, you can use this tool to file them down shorter as well. I filed the thumbs down a little bit, but I didn't do too much on the other nails. Honestly, I probably will file them down a little bit more this week because I'm going to babysit my nephews, and I just do not want these super long nails while I'm trying to change diapers and wipe booties and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna file down these nails, and this is what they look like after I have filed off that little part. Next, I'm gonna go in with the top coat so that they are nice and shiny and protected. You can actually go in with a couple of coats. I only went in with one, but I wish that I would have went in with like 2 or 3, because I do notice that if you're very rough with your nails, so for me, I like scratch my head a lot, I type a lot, I'm on my computer a lot, I can kind of see the top coat peeling a little bit at the top of the nails. I've had them in for like a week now. So if you are rough with your nails, I would recommend doing a couple of coats of the top coat just so they have more protection and you're not wearing them down like super quick. So here is the final look of them, all glossy and pretty. That's without and with the top coat on there. Next, I'm gonna go under the lamp again for another 90 seconds just to cure this final coat that I added on. And here is the final look. Let me know if you are going to try these out. Again, everything that I used is listed in my Amazon store, and everything is linked in my description of the video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see y'all later. Bye.